Good evening everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So for today's segment is none other than the Terastal Festival Pokemon. Alright, you know guys what is the taste in here, and this is the hot box in this year. It's something like it's shining box, shining treasure, something like that. Yeah, so definitely there is a god pack or a demigod pack. Hopefully we can pull the god pack in here into my channel. So far I opened tons and tons of the booster boxes, even though the One Piece also I haven't get any god pack. Maybe this is the time for rip the god pack. Okay, so for another day, another unboxing. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, hopefully we can get the god pack. Oh, if the full god pack is totally insane. Yeah, it's freaking insane. If I can manage to pull the what is it called, the god pack. All right, now the moment of truth. Let's begin. Okay, I'll take out all first. There you go. So hopefully we can pull a very good pulling for today. All right. Let's hold on. We tilt a bit and just a little bit of zoom in. So at least, yeah, that's a good view. Nice. There you go. Okay. Unfortunately, don't have a normal holo. Okay. EX normal. Alright. Next. Second pack. Well, actually, according to them, the god pack is a very hard to get. If you are lucky enough, then you can get the god pack or demigod pack. Okay, normal holo. Okay. Okay, it's a Pokeball and a normal EX. So our first Pokeball is out. Hopefully we can get the good hits. Well, actually the EX evolution card is not that easy also as well. When I watch some of the YouTubers out there, even the PokeRev, those very high profile of YouTuber out there, yeah, it's not easy when I watch also as well. Okay, normal EX. Come on, God Pack. Come on. Where are you? Hopefully give me some juicers into my channel. Alright. Okay, normal holo. Very nice, huh, this holo. Well, actually I don't know the name, but I'm just amazed of the oh. Okay, Ace Spec rare and normal EX in a sense. Come on, we have through already. We are on the half. Ooh. Hold on, huh? I dropped my cards. Hold on. I dropped the holo. One moment, guys. I accidentally hit. Okay. Sorry. There you go. I am very sorry. Okay, we put this on the. Okay, this one is hits. At least can see lah. Okay, god pack, are you here? Eevee. Okay, no god pack. Fish. Okay, holo. This one is who? Okay. Oh, Ogre Pawn. The SIR Ogre Pawn. Dang. Hopefully we can get the double bangers. Well, there is this is our SIR. SIR or is SIR? I'm not pretty sure, but hopefully we can get the double bangers. Like when I watched Pokerev, he managed to pull like tons of these Ogre Phone also as well, and then included like two hits in one pack. Well, let's see if we can change the history. Who knows, maybe God Pack is inside. Hopefully. Okay, normal, a Pokeball, not a Master Ball. Ooh, okay, Umbreon EX. That's cool. Umbreon EX. Okay. No God Pack. No sign of God Pack. Eh? How come this 3 in here is supposed to be sick. Third is a holo already. It's a little bit different. Okay. EX. Put the EX in here. Normal EX. Ooh, okay. This one is a hits. SIR. Alright. We got the SIR. But let's see what is the hits. SIR. Oh, EX. Okay. Ogre Pawn EX. Alright. Last 2 packs, guys. Last 2 packs. Come on, give me another juicers. Give me another juicers. So far, EX. Okay. Very hard to get the EV. Okay. Normal EX. Last pack, magic. Is the magic is in the air. Okay, another hits in here. Hopefully it's evolution, even though it's a normal normal EX. Come on, give me some. Fortunately it's not. Ooh, Master Ball. Oh my god, I thought it's a Master Ball. No, it's a Pokeball only. My god, it's nearly. Yeah, I don't have yet the Master Ball. I thought it's a Master Ball. So close, so close. Dang. Yeah, no M. Yeah, definitely no M. It's a normal Master. It's a normal Pokeball. So sad. Yeah, for the Master Ball, it's not that easy also as well. Yeah, so this is the normal EX. Oh, this one. Nice. This one got the prize on it for the EX. Okay, Master Ball. Alright, we sleep first before we do the a recap. Why I never get the map? No, I cannot move on because I'm still looking for the M. If this one is a Master Ball, it's freaking insane. It's literally insane. It's okay. That is the okay, Pokeball. I thought it's a Master Ball. Superb Master Ball. Come on, get inside. Don't be shy. Alright. Fantastic. Okay. Who is this, Jolteon? Well, actually, I am not good in in the characters for this Pokemon, because actually I start in One Piece, then Naruto. Well, actually first I start in Naruto, and then I'll try the One Piece also as well. So definitely I'm not good in these Pokemon, especially for the names. Only I know is those well known, something like that. Alright, we'll do the short recap for these hits. Okay, so it's a solo, no double bangers. Alright, so this is what we hit. A normal EX Ogre Pawn. I think this one is Jolteon or something. I'm not pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Umbreon EX normal. Then the Pokeball. Another Pokeball is nearly to be a Master Ball. If this one is a Master Ball, I will jump already. Okay, and the ACE is Spec Rare. And our SIR is Ogre Pawn. Not the best but not the worst. We'll take it. Alright guys, if you like the unboxing sessions into my channel, please don't forget to hit like, share, and comment down below which characters the most you like in this booster series in the Terastal festival. I do believe many of you is chasing for Umbreon. Yeah, that is the high chase in a sense. And of course, some of you also are trying to pull the God pack. Not only the God pack, even the demigod pack, as long as have a God words into the pack. Right? Yeah. So yeah, I'm one of it also. I'm trying to pull the God pack, but apparently a little bit unfortunate, but we'll take it because it's for this booster box is very nice. I like this booster box because it's a guarantee that you will be pulled the SIRs. That is the good thing in this booster box. Alright, so yeah, see you on my next video guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button there and smash the notification bell. Okay, so see you on my next video and have a good day. Goodbye everyone.